What is going on, everybody? Today we're gonna replace the backup light on this 2016 Ford Escape. And the first thing that we need to do, we need to remove this handle, and underneath the handle there are two Torx that you need to remove the whole panel. And to remove those Torx, we need a T20. Then you can just pull on the cover. Now we have access to this 10mm nut, depend on which side you need to remove. So in this case we're going to replace the one on this side, and we have a 10mm bolt. Now you should be able to remove the whole assembly. Kind of need both hands, but and if you need to replace the whole assembly, then you just twist it from here. But if you just need to replace the bulb, and here is the part number for this reverse light. It is a 921, and you should be able just to pull it out like that, and just go ahead and put the new one in. And you can go ahead and put the assembly back. Just kind of press a little bit. Just go ahead and put the nut back. Go ahead and put this cover back. And go ahead and put the Torx back, the handle cover, and you're good to go. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you on the next video.